Pick me up now.
Screw it, Sarge, it's coming.
I will fire you.
We are in a hurry.
Of course we are.
Damn, sir, this is a freaking tank.
You're talking like poor people.
Understood, sir. Where to, sir?
I will send you the address right now.
Thank you, sir. Most generous, like always.
Doing my job, helping poor people.
Yes, sir. No one's poor and more poorly paid than me. Thank you for that.
You have to accept as destination, please. Yeah.
I did, sir.
Please turn left in 200 meters.
Shut up! I already have a boss that tells me everything.
Yeah, of course.
Patronize me.
Of course. How do you find the car?
Extraordinary, sir. Only it doesn't fit so well in traffic.
Does look really nice, this car.
Yes, it does.
Makes me speak with a Russian accent.
So how was your day, sir?
It was great. It was great. I've lost 1 million on the Bursa, but made 2 more millions on the black market.
On the Bursa, sir? What
Yeah,
is
on the Bursa. It's a big place where people with money, they dance something called hora.
You lost me at people with money, sir.
Yeah. Have you played lottery before?
No, sir. You barely pay me enough to afford my children's meals, one per week.
Why do you say meals in plural? I don't understand. I was scared as I was thinking I pay you too much.
No, sir.
Let's talk about how I feel in the VIP seat in this BMW X7, this huge ass 7-seater SUV with a poor driver in front. Now, let's get back to this. So each passenger has a screen which you can control with your finger because it's touchscreen, and you can send destinations to the driver and he knows where he's going, and you can see here traffic information or different settings for map viewing. Let's put it in night mode because I love nightlife. I can also play some music, and I can also adjust some car settings. So let's Can you put the sound lines? You just have to press that. Oh, yeah. No, push it forward. No, push it forward. Like slide it forward. Oh yeah, you smart ass. Okay, now it's more private.
Happy, sir?
Yeah, very happy. And from general settings, I can play with sound settings, so I can put more bass. Do you like more bass?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's your name?
Driver. You call me driver.
No, no. Other driver.
Of course, sir.
So I've connected my phone, and I can also control some displays. Let's put more brightness in, and we can also play with ambient light. Do you fancy some bronze?
Some what, sir?
Some bronze, Romanian bronze. It's like
yes,
tan,
yes,
but
sir.
it's light tan.
Yes, sir.
Or lilac.
Whatever you say, sir. Yes.
Or green.
Yes.
Green. It's fine. Green. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Fancy some dynamic light and with dimming for night driving. No, let's make it flashy. And climate comfort. Let's say. Let's play with. Oh, I can play with the temperature from here. It's 18 degrees there, and from my side because I don't want to stretch like this. 90 degrees, automatic level disable control. Nice. And that's it. That's all I can do here. And I can read the handbook with user help. I really love how comfortable I feel here. Feels really comfortable. And I can also play some music. I have HDMI, USB-C, USB-C, 2 more USB-C, jack, and climate control. And there's a big screen on the other passenger side, and also I have a nice armrest, but with no technology like in the other. This car feels very much like the 7 Series you drove last week or 2 weeks ago. Hey BMW, call Armin.
Didn't work, did it?
No, didn't work. If you have a tank, why don't you push people over, please?
damages and whatnot.
Uh-huh. Oh, hey! That's my gas you're burning up.
No, it is not.
I feel very comfortable in here and it's also very silent. I pretty much appreciate the fact that you're shutting up. Oh, money. Smells like more money burning. No. Please stop doing that.
You know, sir, I've noticed one thing.
Well,
When you push
Ah.
the kick down in comfort mode, it has a bit of a delay. Let's try it in sport mode, shall we? Does it work? It works?
I pretty much don't enjoy that.
Well, sir, stop being a baby.
No, stop burning my money. I don't pay you to burn gas. I actually don't pay you at all, but that's a nice grill I see there in the mirror.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
No problem, sir.
Enjoy your day.
Same, sir.
Yeah. I'll send you some food. Bye.
Yes, sir. Hope you die of smallpox.